Tired of your phone dying? Today we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh, the ultimate portable power bank designed to keep you charged wherever you go. This beast boasts a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, enough to charge your iPhone over 6 times or fully power multiple devices on long trips. What makes it truly smart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, which intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. With its dual USB ports, you can easily charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or powering your phone and tablet at once. Say goodbye to anxiously searching for outlets. The PowerCore 20000 mAh provides unparalleled freedom and peace of mind, making it an essential travel gadget. Many portable chargers claim speed, but Anker's commitment to safety and efficiency truly sets this power bank apart as the best portable charger on the market. Whether you're a heavy phone user, a traveler, or just want reliable backup power, this Anker PowerCore delivers consistent, fast, and safe charging every time. It's not just a battery, it's an investment in uninterrupted connectivity and convenience, perfect for anyone looking for a reliable charging solution in 2025. If you're ready to experience worry-free power, find the best deals and grab your own Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. Seriously, for anyone needing robust, intelligent, and dependable portable power, the Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh is unequivocally my top recommendation.